Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Dems.
And that.
And we are the what? No. Epic fail. You're not supporting videos. Sometimes our energy just not match my energy. My pump all the way up right now and she's still ground zero. Introduction for the writers of Zafi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dems and Nuts. And we are DiAndersons.
You do all the work for me. Continue. What? So in this video we're going to do what we're going to do in this one.
Okay guys, so as you guys know, we are from Jamaica, and Jamaica is known for having the best KFC. So in today's video we will be having Canadian KFC and giving you an idea of what it tastes like.
Our opinion on what it tastes like.
Absolutely. So yeah, if it is first time you're watching one of our videos, guys, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. We really appreciate it. And if you have been here before,
thank you.
Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep commenting. Even some of those negative comments that we see, persons are like, you guys can't dance, you guys should sit down, you guys look tired, you guys look...
We just laugh.
Keep them coming in still. We like seeing it. We like seeing it. Okay, so let's get this ball rolling. So we went out, we got 4-piece meal. Just to give an idea of what the cost is. So
here's the receipts. You don't have to try to remember what you spent.
I know exactly what I spent. I know what I spent, guys. I mean, I was
$31.36. That's it.
The cost of the 4-piece meal that we're eating right now is not for $31. We bought a number of stuff. We bought popcorn chicken, we bought a wrap and some other stuff. That came to $31. But I'm giving you guys an idea of what the box of 4-piece chicken costs.
How much does it cost?
It costs $12.
4-piece. You leave off the cent. 49 cents.
How much dollars?
Continue.
Okay. So an idea of what it costs. So it's a 4-piece meal. So you actually get 4 pieces of chicken. You get a salad, whether potato salad, mashed potato, or macaroni salad. You get fries, and you can have gravy if you like. So it's fully loaded. It's fully loaded, guys. I'm not even gonna trip. It's fully loaded. However, I always have a complaint whenever I buy KFC, and it's always that the chicken is too small. It seems as if they always use baby chicken. What do you think?
You're the one who always eat chicken. I don't normally eat chicken.
Okay, so let's get the video started, guys. Let's dive right into it because I'm starving right now and I feel like we have been talking too much. So let's start with the fries.
Fries is fries. Fries is nothing else than fries. Well, if it's too salty or something. Fries is fries.
Fries is fries. The only thing is that these are a little bit thin. If it was a little bit thicker, I would be more appreciative.
Fries is fries. Fries is just fries. Awesome.
Fries is fries. What do you guys think? Is fries fries, or is there a special way to spruce up fries to give it that friesy taste? What do you think?
Fries is just fries.
My question is...
It's potato.
My question is this. Why did you come and sit down and left the juice? Are you planning to choke me?
Yeah, closer to the fridge, you can get it.
Hey guys, this fries is really choking me. Excuse me a minute.
While he's gone, I'm here. This is my wrap. Only thing that I take from KFC. So. So them no tomatoes.
There you go. Oh, that's your wrap.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the wrap. It's a kiddies meal. Yes, it does look like a kiddies meal, but that's the only thing I eat.
I forgot this fries was stroking me.
I don't eat tomatoes, so I have to take it out. Not good.
Okay,
Sorry.
so
I have to do
I've not showed you guys. This is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna take out the first piece of chicken, which seems like a thigh. The thing is, before though, the KFC here,
Could I get a fork, please?
the KFC in Canada only serves original chicken. There's no hot and spicy. There's no barbecue. It's all original. As I said,
No zinger.
no.
maybe
Well, there
zinger?
is zinger. You do have zinger, but it is like if I'm gonna give you an example of what a zinger is like, it's almost like a Popeye's chicken cruncher. It's crunchy chicken. It's not the hot and spicy or the barbecue zinger that we're used to in Jamaica. It's more like
What? Sandwich?
it's more like a chicken sandwich. Yeah, and this is what I'm talking about. Hey guys, look at this thigh. If you're in Jamaica now and you're watching this video and you are in KFC by chance, please take out a piece of your thigh and look on this and tell me if this is fair. This is so unfair. And the thing is, if I should, oh my god, this is like the smallest thigh you'll ever see. But nonetheless, let's bite into it and see what's happening here.
There's so much tomatoes, man. I'm sorry. I just don't eat tomatoes. I'm sorry, I just have to take them out. It's not a waste. Might be wondering, I'm wasting time taking out tomatoes. I just don't eat tomatoes, so sorry. That's the way it is.
Like, to be honest, I like it. Probably because I've been having it for a few years now, and I'm accustomed to it. But I think it's very flavorful in terms of it's well seasoned. It's for original chicken, right? You'll definitely not miss the original chicken of Jamaica. It's pretty much the same. It's literally pretty much the same as Jamaica's original flavored chicken in KFC. Not the hot and spicy, not the barbecue, but the original.
The twist now, this is the closest to Jamaican KFC. It's not hot and spicy, it's not close to hot and spicy, but it have a little flavor that reminds me of Jamaica. So that's the only reason I stick to this.
If you guys are looking on and wondering why am I eating like this, it's only because I consider you guys family now. And this is how I eat in front of my family, so please don't judge. She can go and say she's touch all she wants. When you guys want to see her eat off camera.
This is how I eat normally.
No. If anyone is watching this video and you are in another country other than Jamaica, please leave a comment and tell us what the KFC is like where you are. Tell us if it's the same as Jamaica, if it's better, if it's bigger than this that I'm eating, or just your general opinion. Just to share with other persons, so we can all see what it is like. Why you keep cutting me into my thing?
Because pepper. There's a little pepper in it.
So all this shot will prevent the pepper.
Never mind.
Exactly.
That's how yard man didn't go. Sorry. It's actually nice. This is what I enjoy.
Can I get a bite? Let's switch. I'll take a bite.
I honestly don't want.
No, but you have to taste it and tell what it tastes like. Show the viewers how small chicken is as well. So they don't think that I'm the one who's being too greedy.
Yes, sir.
This is the potato salad that you get with a 4-piece meal. So it's pretty much a loaded box, pretty
This
much.
is not that small. This one is not that small. This is a wing.
Oh, hold on, before you take away the wing.
Your hands clean. You're touching up my food like that.
Can you guys see how small this wing is? This is like a baby bird. This is like
Thank
a
you.
baby bird. Okay. Let's give this a try. What do you think about the chicken?
You just can taste the seed. You can taste like it's a black pepper sauce.
What do you think about chicken?
It's like chicken. It's not. You said it's close to original Jamaican KFC chicken. For me, it's not close.
It's not close?
No.
It's totally different?
Yeah.
Well, to be honest, I haven't had original chicken in Jamaica in a few years now, to be honest.
But it's not cool.
Like, even while I was in Jamaica, it was all hot and spicy and barbecue, so I might be wrong, but it's not bad. I don't think it's bad. But, the rapper kind of shots still. One more bite.
Thank you.
You remember the time when we went on a date and we saw the couple eating pizza with knife and fork?
Yeah. First date. But that's just how it is.
Wow.
I'm full. I can't get no more. Answer. You have 4 pieces of chicken there. I can't go no more.
This is the closest thing to a zinger.
Closest thing to
And it's probably
KFC
because of the
Jamaica,
cheese and the I'm not sure, but the chicken wrap is actually very good. The chicken wrap is good. Again, as I said, like the original flavour chicken to me is very good, but
no.
Nas don't like it, but I like it. But then again, she doesn't like Popeyes, and who doesn't like Popeyes? So I'm beginning
Comment
to...
in the comment section those who don't like Popeyes, because I'm sure I'm not the only one who don't like Popeyes chicken.
I'm beginning to question.
I just don't
beginning.
like Popeyes. I don't like the taste. It's just not my thing.
I'm beginning to question our taste buds. I think our taste buds were mixed up somewhere along the line.
No.
Because who doesn't like Popeyes?
Me.
And I know we are sitting in front of you guys eating a KFC meal, right? I'm talking about Popeyes, but that's how much I like Popeyes.
The advertisement Popeyes?
Yeah. Again, if you're in anywhere around the world and you have KFC experience, please share it in the comment section. Let us know what is your experience. If it's the first time you're watching one of our videos, please subscribe again, like, share, and join this awesome family. If you are a resident here, thank you guys so much. We really love you guys. We really appreciate you guys. I'm sorry for eating so messy in front of you guys, but as I said, you guys are family, and Nuts can tell you that this is how I eat in person. So just keep it real. We are trying to do as many videos for you guys as possible. We try to do a balanced content. We do have content based on our experience as immigrants in Canada. We have a whole playlist on a number of videos that you guys can check out to see different areas of our experience might help you in becoming a Canadian immigrant. Settling in Canada as an immigrant, we are trying to do videos along that content as well. We are trying to do a bunch of random videos as well. If it is that you guys want to see something from us, please share it in the comment section. We are all ears. Okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time.
Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to
like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe.
DiAndersons.